So good morning children. Yesterday we have started about story of blood. So under that about red blood cells, white blood cells and blood platelets we have discussed. And while coming to the blood, it has several nutrients such as glucose, amino acids, proteins, vitamins, hormones required for the body, and also excretory products such as lactic acid, urea, salts, etc. And plasma also contains factors which are responsible for blood clotting. Example, blood platelets. So now I am going to explain you about the blood corpuscles. The cells which are present in blood are called blood corpuscles. Those are three types: red blood cells, white blood cells, and blood platelets. While coming to the red blood cells, these are also red in color due to the presence of hemoglobin in it. These blood cells are red in color, and these are also called as erythrocytes, and which helps in transport of oxygen and carbon dioxide, which are helpful. And actually inside the womb, these red blood cells, the baby is inside the womb, these red blood cells are formed by liver and spleen, and after birth these are formed in bone marrow, inside the bone marrow. And the destruction after 120 days, each and every red blood cell's lifetime is 120 days. After that the liver is responsible for that reproduction of new cells from the older cells, destroying of older cells, and new cells will come from that. So that is responsible by the excretion of dead red blood cells is possible by liver. So liver is responsible for that. And these red blood cells are useful for oxygen and carbon dioxide transportation, circulation of those oxygen and carbon dioxide into the blood, inside the blood throughout the body. So red blood cells are useful like that. And next one is white blood cells. So white blood cells are the second type of cells present in our blood, and white blood cells are not having hemoglobin, they are colorless. They are also called as leukocytes. So leukocytes, these are again granulocytes and granulocytes, two types we have. Actually white blood cells are responsible for fighting against the foreign substances and foreign microorganisms, disease causing organisms. White blood cells are responsible to fight with those foreign organisms, microorganisms, disease causing organisms like viruses and all. White blood cells are sometimes sacrifice their life to fight against those microorganisms. So white blood cells are most important in our body to immunity system, to immune our body. So sometimes the white blood cells sacrifice their life to fight against the external microorganisms. So neutrophils are the types under that, and against bacteria. And eosinophils and like that we have basophils and eosinophils. So bacteria, virus, those all foreign microorganisms and may enters into body. At that time white blood cells will fight with those and sacrifice their life also sometimes. And lymphocytes and monocytes, these are the types of granulocytes. So again these all are the different types of white blood cells, and these are actually responsible for fighting against the disease causing microorganisms. And coming to the blood platelets, these are another type. These are also colorless, and these are for immunity system. For example, if we got an injury or a wound, at that time after 2 to 3 minutes the blood will be clotted. So then only the blood flow will be stopped. So these are responsible for that. These platelets are responsible to control that. So to accumulate the site of the injury, platelets are useful, Nana. So without platelets, we cannot immune at that time. If we got an injury, the blood will flow out. If there are no platelets in our body, so the blood clot will not happen after 2 to 3 minutes if we got an injury. So what will happen? Inside flow will out. Always the blood will flow out from the injury. The person may go to die. So that's why platelets are important in our body. So actually about next we are going to see about actually in our daily life we can observe blood groups. Yes, which blood group you are having? Some people will ask. So for blood donation and for blood acceptance from the others, receiving from others. Sometimes if we got an injury, lot of injury we got, at that time we need to take blood from others, and blood also needed to give sometimes. So for that we need to know the blood groups first. So human beings blood groups majorly divided into A blood groups. About blood groups I am telling you now. So blood groups are of different types, A, B and AB, O. These are the 4 types of blood groups we can observe. So how can we identify? So with the help of a test. So anti-sera, anti-A sera, anti-B sera, anti-RHD sera. Like that we have Nana anti-seras. So how can we find the blood groups? So here I want to tell you first these type of groups only we can observe in our daily life. A plus or A minus, A positive, A negative, B positive, B negative, AB positive, AB negative, O positive, O negative. So these only we have in our daily life. Most probably these only the blood groups, 4 types. Under that RH nana, RH rhesus factor antaru. So rhesus RH factor antaru danne. So if it is there, it is a protein. So it is a protein. If this protein is there in that blood, వాళ్ళు RH plus అవుతారు. This protein ఉంటే. So if no protein, if no RH for protein, if no RH protein, so those people are comes under RH negative. So like that, these A only, A negative, B negative, AB negative, O negative, these all are comes under rhesus factor, that protein less people, the protein absent in their blood group. If that protein present in those people, those are comes under RH positive. So these people are having antibodies in their blood. So extra antibodies ఉంటాయి, those will destroy the RH positive వాళ్ళకి అది ఇచ్చారనుకోండి RH minus. So at that time those RH plus ions will be die due to these antibodies, like that. So that is problem. RH plus RH negative వాళ్ళకి ఇచ్చారనుకోండి, at that time also it will be not good, because these antibodies exist inside these people. ఈ కొత్తగా వచ్చిన బ్లడ్ లో ఉన్న పాజిటివ్ ప్రోటీన్ వల్ల ఈ రెడ్ బ్లడ్స్ RH ప్లస్ అండ్ RH మైనస్. అరుణ్ కుమార్, ఆర్ యూ లిజనింగ్? అరుణ్, very good. Okay, is it interesting class today? Nice to see you all. So here find your blood relations. How can we find these blood groups and kit components and storage? So anti-sera, anti-A sera, anti-B sera, anti-RHD sera. 3 types we needed, Nana. So like this, 3 types. Okay, and porcelain white plate we need. Porcelain white plate and wax pencil, needle. These all the instruments, instruction manual, all we needed for the blood testing. And here material required are cotton, 70% alcohol, and toothpicks also. So template on a porcelain. These are the plates, Nana. Porcelain plate of blade for blood grouping. 3 plates we need to select, one for anti-sera A, anti-sera B, and RH, anti-sera RH. So rhesus factor. Place 1 drop of corresponding anti-serum at room temperature near the edge. Like this, this is RH, anti-A sera. Keep your phone mute, all of you. Anti-sera A, anti-sera B, and keep these anti-serum side of that plate, Nana. Okay, porcelain plates are these 3, and anti-sera we need to place anti-sera A on 1 plate, anti-sera B on 1 plate, and RH anti-sera on 1 plate. And clean this fingertip first choose a finger and alcohol in a cotton ball and let it dry. Finger with alcohol. Clean the finger with alcohol and keep the cotton ball nearby as it is needed again. So dangle the hand down to increase the amount of blood in the finger. So dang down means to increase the blood. We need to collect that blood from our hand. So and press on the bottom of the fingertip and which is the thumb of the same hand. And quickly prick the fingertip with the help of a needle. So with the help of a needle, take out some blood. You know that how to take out. And quickly let one drop of blood get into each circle. One drop of blood in this. 3 we need to place. 3 drops. 3 that anti-serum place లో ఆ ప్లేట్స్ మీద వేయాలి ఇక్కడ. సో coagulate means ఇక్కడ కలిసిపోవడం నానా. If it will mix us with that or else like this. So it will mix us or sometimes it will be separate out like this. So here we can understand use toothpick, a mix of blood and anti-serum and stir gently. And do it for each of the circles using a fresh toothpick. So then gently we can mix the wax pencil with the help of that circle మీద మీరు వేసిన blood కి ఇలా ఇలా అనండి. And watch to see any sample show agglutination. So agglutination means mixing. The agglutination will appear as grainy clumps of red blood cells suspended in a clear solution. RH is slow to agglutinate, so do not give up too soon. తొందరగా తెలియదన్నమాట RH ది. So because of this, here result table determination of blood group. Anti-sera A yes వచ్చింది, anti-sera B no వచ్చింది. So agglutination, so mixing అవ్విందా అవ్వలేదా, because of that independent of whether agglutination occurs in anti-sera A and anti-sera B, clumping may or may not occur in anti-RH serum. If agglutination occurs in anti-RHD serum, the RH factor is positive. So mix అయిపోయింది అనుకోండి, like this complete గా mix అయిపోయింది అనుకోండి separate గా కనిపించకుండా. సో ఇఫ్ డస్ నాట్ RH ఫ్యాక్టర్ నెగిటివ్, పాజిటివ్ నెగిటివ్. సో ఇది పాజిటివ్ నెగిటివ్ తెలుస్తుంది. ఇది ఏ ఇక్కడ ఎస్ వచ్చింది అనుకోండి, దట్ పీపుల్ బిలాంగ్స్ టు ద బ్లడ్ గ్రూప్ ఏ. ఇయర్ బ్లడ్ గ్రూప్ బి. అండ్ రెండిటికి వచ్చింది అనుకోండి ఏబి. ఓకే, సేమ్ టైం రెండిట్లో మిక్స్ అయినట్టుగా వచ్చింది అనుకోండి, దట్ ఈస్ ఏబి బ్లడ్ గ్రూప్. అండ్ పాజిటివ్ నెగిటివ్ ఎలా తెలుస్తుంది, డ్యూ టు ద RH యాంటీసీరా. So like that we can conclude the blood group of a person. Is it okay for you? How many blood groups are there total? 4. And under that again positive negative ala chuste total 8 groups. Is it okay? 8 groups. A positive A negative, B positive B negative, AB positive AB negative, O positive O negative. Like that 8 groups are there. And here O group people can donate the blood to any other group. O positive are universal donors. O positive blood can able to give A positive, B positive and AB positive people. Okay na? O group people are the universal donors. ఎవరికైనా వాళ్ళు బ్లడ్ ఇవ్వచ్చు. And AB positive people can collect blood from the A positive, B positive and O positive. అందరి దగ్గర నుంచి తీసుకోవచ్చు. AB is the universal recipient and O is the universal donor. ఓ ఎవరికైనా ఇవ్వచ్చు, ఏబి ఎవరి దగ్గర నుంచి అయినా తీసుకోవచ్చు. అండ్ RH ఫ్యాక్టర్ ఇస్ ఆల్సో ఇంపార్టెంట్ నానా. నెగిటివ్ వాళ్ళు పనికిరారు మళ్ళీ, బికాస్ వాళ్ళ బాడీలో యాంటీబాడీస్ ఉంటాయి. చెప్పాను కదా, RH నెగిటివ్ పీపుల్ ఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ యాంటీబాడీస్ ఇన్ దేర్ బాడీ. సో దట్ ఈస్ ద ఇంపార్టెంట్ థింగ్ యూ షుడ్ అండర్స్టాండ్. సో how can they test in the lab with the help of anti-serum? Due to the agglutination, we can conclude the blood groups. Okay, Bhanupriya, why you are asking? I am talking about blood groups. Blood groups are comes under living things or non-living things? Huh? బ్లడ్ గ్రూప్స్ ఎందులో ఉంటాయి? లివింగ్ థింగ్స్ కి సంబంధించిందా బ్లడ్, నాన్ లివింగ్ థింగ్స్ కా? బ్లడ్ గ్రూప్స్ నాన్ లివింగ్ థింగ్స్ లో బ్లడ్ ఉంటుందా? చైర్ లో బ్లడ్ ఉంటుంది, ప్లానెట్ లో బ్లడ్ ఉంటుంది, బ్లడ్ గ్రూప్స్ ఇవన్నీ ఎందులో ఉంటాయి. సిల్లీ క్వశ్చన్స్ అడుగుతారు, అదే నాకు కోపం వస్తుంది. మీరు బయాలజీ, ఫిజికల్ సైన్స్ ఏది అని అడుగుతారు చూడండి, అప్పుడు నాకు చాలా కోపం వస్తుంది. బికాస్ ఐఎమ్ టాకింగ్ అబౌట్ బ్లడ్ గ్రూప్స్. బ్లడ్ గ్రూప్స్ అంటే బయాలజీ. ఎస్ అరుణ్ కుమార్, ఈజ్ ఇట్ కరెక్ట్? అడగొచ్చా అట్లా? అడగొద్దు, డైరెక్ట్లీ యూ కెన్ కన్క్లూడ్. ఇక్కడ బ్లడ్ గ్రూప్స్ అంటున్నారు, టీచర్ బ్లడ్ గ్రూప్స్ గురించి చెప్తున్నారంటే అది బయాలజీ. సో మీరు బయాలజీ ఆ ఫిజికల్ సైన్స్ అంటే వై వీ నీడ్ టు టేక్ క్లాస్ అనిపిస్తుంది తెలుసా. ఇంత చెప్పేది ఎందుకు, వీళ్ళకి బయాలజీ కూడా తెలుస్తలేదు, ఫిజికల్ సైన్స్ కూడా తెలుస్తలేదు. బ్లడ్ గ్రూప్స్ ఎందుకు, ఎక్కడ వస్తాయి? బయాలజీలో వస్తాయి. హౌ మెనీ ఆఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు బికమ్ డాక్టర్స్? డాక్టర్స్ ఎట్లా అవుతారు ఇట్లా అయితే? ఏదో కూడా తెలియకపోతే ఎట్లా అవుతారు డాక్టర్స్? సో బయాలజీ, yes, who want to become a doctor? For those people, the science is most important, especially biology is most important. So I am talking about blood groups. ఓకేనా? బయాలజీ ఆ ఫిజికల్ సైన్స్ అని బ్లడ్ గ్రూప్స్ గురించి మాట్లాడుతున్నప్పుడు అడిగారంటే ఇంకా మీరు బ్లైండ్లీ నిద్రపోతూ క్లాస్ వింటున్నారనమాట. ఎస్ భానుప్రియ, ఆర్ యూ స్లీపింగ్ నౌ? ఓకే ఓకే. వాట్ యు ఆర్ డూయింగ్ నౌ? వై యూ అబ్సెంట్ లాస్ట్ 2 days? బిజీయా? ఫోన్ లేదా?